My name is Aya.
And I'm Muhammad. And she is
Honey.
Welcome to our show,
Simple, Delicious, and Healthy,
where we take our favorite recipes, substitute with healthy ingredients while keeping the same great taste.
In the last video, we made pizzas.
Today we are making healthy homemade sprinkles. The reason we decided to make sprinkles is that every time we wanted to buy them,
It had artificial flavors and colors. And why put all these harmful ingredients in our body?
when you can easily make sprinkles on your own and tastier.
Let's face it.
What sweet doesn't call for sprinkles?
And before we begin, make sure to wash your hands or wear gloves.
And make sure to
Subscribe, like, and share.
1 1/4 cup of organic raw powdered cane sugar. You can use a blender or a coffee grinder to grind it up.
A 1/4 cup of arrowroot starch. We are using it instead of cornstarch because it's much healthier.
We are using liquid gel food coloring, which is made out of fruits and vegetables.
1 teaspoon of non-alcoholic vanilla extract.
1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt.
And 2 tablespoons of water.
We mentioned that we don't buy food coloring from stores because
It's hard to find food coloring without artificial colors such as red 40 and blue 1.
they were proven to cause tumors. We will mention more of the bad ingredients in the food and their side effects in future videos. In a medium-sized bowl, stir together the dry ingredients, then the wet, and mix until thick and dense.
This is how we want it to be, not too thick or liquidy. Divide the mixture into 3 bowls. Add a few drops of food coloring per bowl.
Mine is pink.
Mine's orange.
Mine's green.
We are using icing bottles. You can use a piping bag.
Or even a Ziploc bag.
These are the end results. We made lines and dots.
Using size number 4 tip.
Don't worry about your lines being perfectly straight since we are going to break them up.
Leave them for a few hours or overnight.
We made these sprinkles from fondant using these tiny shape cutters.
We will show you how to make them in a future video, inshallah.
Okay, to break up the sprinkles, you have 2 options. You can use the knife or you can gently break them up with your fingers.
Bismillah.
Bismillah. I love solid good.
I cannot believe I was putting all these dangerous food coloring in my body.
What do you think, Sally?
Healthy, delicious, homemade sprinkles.
Yes, it's healthy and nothing harmful to worry about.
Yes.
It's good. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to support our small but growing channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing to your mom, dad, auntie, uncle. And don't forget to comment down below your thoughts and what you would like to see in future videos. And as always, simple, delicious, and healthy.
3, 2, 1.
It's hard to find ones without red blue and blue 1.
Now I can eat healthy, delicious, homemade sprinkles.
Yes, it's harmful.
It's harmful.
Think about it.
And she is a fourth cup of arrowroot starch.
Hey, it is me. It is me.
Three,
I did.
3, 2, 1, go.
A fourth cup of arrowroot starch.
Sophie?
Haki B. Shushi.
2,